about the others? If Visa is still joining, okay. All right, guys. Very good afternoon to everyone. Right, again, it's a request, if possible, keep your videos on, since we are all muted over here. Okay. All right, guys. So today, like I told you previously, on Monday, right, so we'll be doing the third poetry poem, right, from Flamingo. But before that, I would like to revise something with you guys. Okay, we're going to revise one concept and then we're going to move on to the poem. So, one second, hold on. Okay, so do we guys remember what we did? Application letter. Application letter, do you remember? Yes, no. Yes, yes. Hari is saying yes. Hari is saying yes. Okay, hold on a second. Okay. All right, just hold on a second. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to give you, see, we have already done do as directed, we have already done application letter. All right, so what we are going to do actually over here is we are going to have a practice of it first. Okay, I'm going to give you a few things, you're going to do it here itself, and then we're going to move on, right, to the explanation of the poem. All right, so if and when you have your notebooks with you, I want all the videos if possible on. Videos for on here so I can see you guys. Thank you. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put up notebook में आज का date डालना, put up today's date. Okay. You're gonna write transformation of sentences, practice, exercise. Okay. Practice, exercise. Okay. Sure. You're going to copy the question along with me because you need to solve and then we need to, you're going to say it along, okay? All right, start copying it please. I'm putting it up over here, right? You need to start writing. Ask a date dalna, put up the topic, transformation of sentences, practice, exercise. Okay. The day is very hot and humid. The day is very hot and humid. Change into negative sentence. Just show a second. Okay. So change into negative sentence. Okay. Right. Second one. I have been working on my project since morning. I have been working on my project since morning. Change. Okay. Change into, sorry. Change into past continuous. Past perfect continuous. G-M-P-I-N-O-U-S. Okay. I have been working on my project since morning. Okay. Right. So, one second, hold on. Okay. The third one, the children, sorry, wow, what an exciting experience. Wow, what an exciting game. Okay. Change into assortive. Okay. Then going through a very rough time, Michael and Rahul, so let's make it an Anglo-Indian. So Michael and Rahul have spent going through a rough time. Michael and Rahul have spent their childhood with each other. Okay, so that is change into compound sentence. Okay, all right, try these four, right, and then we'll move on to the rest. Try these four. हो जाए तो give me a thumbs up, and I want the question also along with it, okay? So that you guys know what you guys are doing. Done, guys? हो जाए तो give your thumbs up. Okay, finished, guys? Done? Give me a thumbs up if you're finished. Give me a thumbs up if you have finished. Yes, done? Hari, Mehak, Anand. Quick, quick, quick. 4 ही sentences है, only 4 sentences. Good afternoon, Uvesh. Okay, Dhruvi has finished. Uvesh, did you see the sentences? Sentences कर लिए तुम लोगों ने? किए तुमने? Sentences हो गए? नहीं हुए? फटाफट करो. Fast, fast. So Dhruvi has finished. What about the others? Shreya is still doing. quick guys, ये बीच बीच में in between I will give you sentences, right? Why is because देखो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन वैसे मैंने बोला था it occupies half of the ग्रामर का जो है हमारा, right? It's actually of कितने 8 या 12 मार्क के हैं. So yes, it's really very crucial that you guys know this. ये तो कुछ नहीं है. Active and passive voice is still there. फटाफट कर लो वेश, फटाफट, फास्ट एवरीवन. हो गया डन? जल्दी जल्दी वेश, चलो चलो. डन हो गया. गुड 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 गुड, वेरी गुड. Okay. So my first question, I will have to unmute everyone. One second, hold on. One second, guys. Just a second, so I can move this thing over here. Okay, one second. Okay, here it is. So guys, I'm gonna unmute you guys. Ask all to me. Okay? You can now unmute yourself. You have been asked to unmute. Okay? One second, hold on. Okay, done. All right. So the day is very hot and humid. You have to change it to negative sentence. Who will do it? Negative sentence में change करना है.
The day is not very cool and moist.
Sorry, क्या? Who is saying? एक second, hold on. Uvesh is. One second. Yeah, Uvesh wants to answer. Yes. बोलो Uvesh. One second, hold on. हाँ, बोलो.
The day is not so cool. Not so cool. Hello.
Hello. Yes, बोलो बोलो.
Day is not so cool.
The day is not.
So cool.
Okay. The day is not very hot and humid. So you can say, right? The day is not very hot and humid. You बोल सकते हैं. Or you can say as the day is. One second, hold on. If I go to write the answer. Okay. Right? नीचे मैं आंसर्स लिख रही हूँ. Okay. नेगेटिव में चाहिए ना हमें. तो what we can get the day is, right? The day is not so cool and dry. ठीक है? नेगेटिव मीनिंग देखो हमें क्या करना है कि हमें ना we have to keep the meaning of the sentence intact. वो intact में रखना है ना. Point number 1. Point number 2, we have to use opposite words. अब opposite words not के साथ लगाना है. अब not के साथ तुम लोग लगाओगे तो what is going to happen? वही meaning रहेगा. वही meaning रहेगा. So it is like the day is not so cool, मतलब it is very hot, and dry, मतलब it is humid. ठीक है? All right. So the next one is I have been working on my project since morning. Change into past perfect continuous. Okay. So I'll give you the answer. Check your answers. चलो. वैसे करते हैं. मैं आंसर देती हूँ, तुम लोग चेक करना. कुछ नहीं करना है इसमें क्या करना था पता है? Like I've told you earlier, हमें sentence structure को change नहीं करना है. We don't have to change the structure of the sentence. What we have to change are the forms of the verb. यहाँ पे हमारे ये जो verb form है ना, ये वाला ही change करना है हमें. Right? तो past perfect continuous है. ठीक है? So I can say I had been working on my project since morning. हो गया हमारा past perfect continuous, right? I have been working on my project since morning. So everything is clear. First and second answer पता चला. Give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Wish okay है? ठीक है. All right. Moving on. Do check your answers, okay, everyone. That's why I'm putting up the answers over here so that you can actually check your answers. Okay. So the third one is, wow, what an exciting game. अब we have to change this into assertive. अब assertive का मतलब है ये complete formation change हो जाएगा. Complete formation change हो जाएगा, right? तो all the exclamatories will go, full stop आएगा, right? wow भी चला जाएगा, ठीक है? So you can say the game is very exciting. ठीक है? The game is very exciting. वो wow के जगह पे you can put very exciting, okay? और amazing है तो very amazing, very wonderful, right? if extra कुछ आता है ना in such exclamatory sentences, you can put very in those sentences. Now, guys, ये कौन सा वाला? ये simple sentence है. 4 कलर simple sentence है. Yes, yes के लिए thumbs up, no के लिए thumbs up. Is it a simple sentence? Do you guys remember simple sentence? Simple sentence कैसा था करके? Okay. Simple compound complex याद है सबको के वो भूल गए? Simple compound complex याद है किसी को? क्या भूल गए तुम लोग? Very good. Guys, let me repeat that once again. सिंपल सेंटेंस कौन सा होता है? जिसमें कोई भी कंजंक्शन नहीं है, राइट? दीज आर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्म. अकॉर्डिंग टू फॉर्म उसमें 4 है: सिंपल, कंपाउंड कॉम्प्लेक्स, कंपाउंड कॉम्प्लेक्स. तो फर्स्ट टाइप है ये सिंपल सेंटेंस जहां पे देयर इज नो कंजंक्शन एट ऑल. कोई भी कंजंक्शन नहीं है. देयर इज नो कंजंक्शन एट ऑल. इसमें कोई कंजंक्शन दिख रहा है उमेश को? हरी को दिख रहा है? हरी नहीं दिख रहा है तो थम्स अप दे देना. ऑलराइट, नहीं दिख रहा है, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल एज ए सिंपल सेंटेंस. ठीक है? ऑलराइट, तो वी हैव टू चेंज इनटू कंपाउंड सेंटेंस. अब कंपाउंड सेंटेंस क्या है? वेयर इन 2 इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस, 2 इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज, 2 सेपरेट सेंटेंसेस को with the help of the conjunction we are joining them together. We are joining them together, right? Coordinating conjunction यानी कि हमारा जो fan boys है वो fan boys को यूज करके हम उसको right join करके लिखना है. अब इसमें से एक तो first we need to find out कि भाई independent clauses कौन कौन से हैं, right? and उसको जोड़ के लिखना कैसे होगा? How actually are we going to join it and write it? ठीक है? तो माइकल एंड राहुल हैव स्पेंड देयर चाइल्डहुड विद ईच अदर. ये 1 इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉसेस है. सो व्हाट वी कैन पुट अप इज, ठीक है, माइकल मतलब ये पहले आएगा. माइकल एंड राहुल हैव स्पेंड देयर चाइल्डहुड with each other, but they went through a very rough time. See the changes I made? Meaning वैसे के वैसे ही है. Going का मैंने went कर दिया, right? Michael and Rahul spend their childhood with each other. वो वैसे के वैसे मैंने आगे ले लिया, राइट? बट लगा दिया मैंने कोऑर्डिनेटिंग वहां पे. दे वेंट थ्रू ए वेरी वेरी रफ टाइम, राइट? सो दिस इज हाउ यू एक्चुअली फॉर्म कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस. डू यू वांट टू नोट दिस डाउन? आंसर्स लिखने हैं. आंसर्स प्लीज नोट डाउन कर लेना. आई विल गिव यू 1 मिनट. आंसर्स प्लीज नोट डाउन कर लेना. आई विल गिव यू 1 मिनट. नोट डाउन करने के बाद गिव मी अ थम्स अप. Hari just raised hand. Just hold on, Hari. Yes, Hari, बोलो.
मैम ये जो फोर्थ वाला है उसमें मैंने कैसा किया था, गोइंग थ्रू अ वेरी रफ टाइम दो माइकल एंड राहुल हैव स्पेंट देयर चाइल्डहुड विद ईच अदर.
ओके. हरी वो तुमने कैसे किया पता है? वो एक्चुअली ना व्हाट यू डिड इज तुमने देखो इट इज नॉट रॉन्ग, इट इज एक्चुअली राइट, बट व्हाट यू डिड वाज सिंपल को समवट सिंपल के तरीके ही रखा. ऑल्दो यू यूज वो सिंपल एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स के बीच में तुमने किया है. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? हम जब कंपाउंड सेंटेंस में करते हैं ना, कंपाउंड सेंटेंस में क्या होगा, राइट? वी नीड टू ब्रिंग इन वन ऑफ दोस फैन बॉयज. फैन बॉयज याद है आपको?
हाँ याद है.
ठीक है ना? हाँ, तो यू नीड टू ब्रिंग इन वन ऑफ दोस कोऑर्डिनेटिंग. फैन बॉयज का मतलब है कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन हमें बीच में लाना है.
हाँ
पता
समझ.
चला हरी को?
हाँ.
ठीक है ना? ऑल राइट, थैंक यू. ऑल राइट गाइस, किसी को कोई भी डाउट? एनी अदर डाउट? प्लीज रेज योर हैंड इफ यू डू हैव. नहीं है? ओके, ऑल राइट. सो लाइक आई सेड, ठीक है, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन अ सेकेंड. आई एम स्टॉपिंग माय शेयर. कॉपी कर ले सब लोगों ने? Has everyone noted down? If yes, give me a thumbs up. Okay. Mehek, Anand, copy करो fast fast. Give me a thumbs up when you finish. Okay. All right. Guys, just hold on a second. Huh? Okay. Done, guys? सबका हो गया है? Give me a thumbs up. Done? Done? Okay. I'm stopping the screen share. I am stopping the screen share. One second. Okay. All right. Now, the fourth poem, guys, make sure you're having your flamingo. हरी वो hand को lower कर देना. Lower your hand. Yeah, thank you. Okay. So the third poem that we're gonna do, right, is about keeping quiet. Pablo Neruda. Okay. One second, hold on. Right. Have you heard about Pablo Neruda? Pablo Neruda के बारे में सुना है आप लोगों ने? नाम कहीं सुना है? Pablo Neruda, right? Okay. Let me tell you something about him. Okay. So Pablo Neruda is actually a Latin American writer. Yeah. ठीक है. He is actually a Latin American writer. Right. Whatever he has written, उसके जितने भी pieces उन्होंने लिखे हैं, all right, are all reality based. जैसे कि in our last previous poem we saw, right? In our previous poem we learned about how people, poor people live, उनके living conditions, right? How their children are living without education, and what is their attitude towards life. ठीक है. These are few poets actually who give us a realistic picture. कभी कभार क्या होता है कि हम लोग देख के भी नजरअंदाज कर देते हैं. Right? What we do is, ठीक है, we actually see it but we ignore it. Okay, guys, just a minute. Right, I'm coming back. Hold on, and I'm going to share the screen. Just a minute. If I may share the screen. Right. Okay. Alright guys, can you see my screen? Okay. Wait. Just hold on a minute. Screen sharing is happening. हो रहा है has started. Okay. Alright guys, जब तक screen share हो रहा तब तक मेरी बात को सुनना. Okay. So, everyone see my screen? Yes, no. दिख रहा है. Right. So keeping quiet. Now Pablo Neruda was a Nobel Prize winning poet. Nobel Prize winner. तो सोच के देखो to what level he actually has written. Right. He adopted this pen name in 1920 in memory of Czechoslovak poet Jan Neruda. Right. This is not his real name. This is not his real name. Right. See guys, ये writers बोले कि authors बोले कि और poets. Right. People related to literature, they actually don't give in their real names. Maybe many people do, just like William Wordsworth, William Blake, William Shakespeare. Okay. They are actually using the real name, but there are few people who does not want to reveal their names. So what they do is they use pen name. Right? Maybe inspired by someone. Okay. So Neruda wrote in a variety of styles. Right? Such as love poems. Right? As in his collection 20 poems of love and a song of despair, surrealist poets. अब surrealist का मतलब है something that is very right related to the reality of life, bitter reality of life. जो जैसा है वो वैसे ही दिखा के वो right he actually presents in his poems. He traveled the world for so many years and returned to Chile in 1943. Of 1945 में he joined the Communist Party of Chile and became the Senator of the Republic. 1971 में he won the Nobel Prize. अब कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी वो होते हैं जो अपने तरीके से राज चलाते हैं. Kind of dictator but dictator नहीं होते हैं. They have their own rules and regulations. वो कोई भी political उसमें influence नहीं होते हैं. Alright, moving on. Pablo Neruda remained active in the literary and political arena even before his death. Right? बीमार बहुत थे. He got really very sick, but still वो बहुत active थे. Right? He loved to write poems. He wanted to present his ideas through poems, right? And political तो वो थे ही, just like we just saw. Right? He joined in the Communist Party. His poetry bears an impact on his political activities and expresses his experience in repression during exile. Exile का मतलब है उसको उनको उनकी कंट्री में से निकाला गया. Exile is when a person is thrown out of a country forcefully. ठीक है? Alright. तो उनके poems के through his poems, right? He expressed, he shared his experiences, right, to the people. कभी कभार क्या होता है कि कोई poets के जो poems होते हैं ना, they come post death. Right? वो लोग गुजर जाने के बाद जाके हमें पता चलता है कि they had to live a very hard life. He wrote over 140 poems. सोच के देखो. Such an old person and wrote so many poems. Colombian novelist, right? Colombian novelist Gabriel García Márquez once called him the greatest poet of the 20th century in any language. Right? कोई भी foreign language के सबसे greatest poet थे. All right. One second, hold on. Now let's talk about the poem. Right. Now what is the theme? Keeping quiet. Right. Silence. Guys, do you know silence has many meaning to it? हम जो मौन में रहते हैं, there are many meanings to it. आज तक में कोई भी इंसान को पता नहीं चला कि वो मौन के पीछे क्या है. वो साइलेंस के पीछे क्या मीनिंग है. So he is trying to present that meaning to us. So in this poem, the poet advocates, tells us, advocate का मतलब है tells us to keep quiet and still for a while, to introspect and understand ourselves and our relationship. बहुत सारे काम कर रहे हैं, बहुत भागम भाग कर रहे. We are literally running after money. right? We are literally busy, so busy in our lives. ठीक है, अगर if you go to see right now, you're busy in your studies. बाजू में क्या हो रहा है वो भी देखने के लिए तुम्हारे पास टाइम नहीं. Your parents are busy in their profession. Sometimes उनके बच्चे लोग क्या कर रहे हैं वो देखने के लिए टाइम नहीं होता है. So the poet is saying, stop, still, सब कुछ छोड़ दो, stop everything, ऐसे ही बैठो, and try to understand. Guys, just hold on a second. Prawn 50. हमारा बच्चे थोड़ी बात. Okay. So as I was saying, we become so busy in our lives, okay, we actually forget who we are. So the poet is saying, stop all your activities. ऐसे ही बैठ सकते हैं हम लोग नहीं. We need something to do. कुछ ना कुछ करना ही है. We keep visiting with ourselves, right? So he is saying, try to understand yourself. Introspect का मतलब है try to understand yourself. खुद के लिए टाइम नहीं है, किसके लिए भाग रहे हो? You don't have time for yourself. Whom are you running for? Whom are you earning money for? Right? And to build a peaceful and harmonious world all over. मतलब first understand yourself. What do you want? Then try to understand all your relationships. See what you're missing out. देखो दुनिया को, बाहर जाके देखो, look outside what is happening in your surrounding. He asked all the human beings to stop all the worldly activities for a while and spend a few quiet moments in introspection. Right? Spend a few quiet moments. कुछ मत करो, ऐसे ही बैठे रहो. हाँ, ये भी एक बात है. एक और one more thing is कि ठीक है, there is one more thing. An empty mind is a devil's workshop. An empty mind is a devil's workshop. बात सही कि गलत खरी? सही है, राइट? अगर खाली दिमाग हम लोग बैठे रहेंगे तो कुछ ना कुछ गलत काम करना. Neruda is not saying to keep your mind empty. He is just saying just stop. We are doing so many things, right? कितने सारे चीजें एक साथ में कर. We are being a multitasker. But are we getting time for ourselves? Do we know what is happening in our neighborhood? नहीं. Why? Because we are busy with ourselves. Busy. टाइम ही नहीं है. Do you have time for your friends? कभी मिले हो फ्रेंड्स से? Guys, if you are meeting with your friends, you are talking with your friends, give me a thumbs up. नहीं है. Not a single thumbs up is coming up. देखो, Hari is there, right? Only Hari. देखो, आनंद भी है, ठीक है. That means you are trying to make time for your friends. Baki, make this also done. Don't be so busy with yourself, you don't know what is happening outside. और friends के साथ बातें करो. इतना भी पढ़ाई में घुसे मत जाओ कि you don't know what is happening with your friends. Right? Have a balance. What he's trying to say is have a balance of everything. Understand yourself. Friends के साथ भी बात को fresh हो जाओगे तुम लोग. ठीक है? All right. चलो. So I'll tell the summary of the poem first and then we'll read the poem. Is that okay? Summary पहले समझने की कोशिश करेंगे हम लोग. ठीक है. So in this poem, the poet has emphasized the need to introspect and bring in the spirit of brotherhood among the people of the world. Brotherhood, भाईचारा, to help each other. होता है? होता है? नहीं होता है. होता है? Will you help another person who is dying on the road because of accident? एक्सीडेंट से गिर पड़ा हुआ है, तुम हेल्प करने जाओगे वहां पे? बिल्कुल नहीं. हम अपना सोचेंगे, अरे यार एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, पुलिस केस में फंस गए तो दैट्स अ सेल्फिश थिंग, राइट? सो द पोएट इज ट्राइंग टू टेल अस कि भाई स्टॉप एवरीथिंग. जो भी एक्टिविटी को स्टॉप एंड आजू बाजू में देख लो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. एक्सीडेंट हुआ है तो ब्रिंग इन सम एम्पैथी. अरे वो मर जाएगा, वो उसको लेके जाओ. अरे forget whether you get stuck in a police case or not. At least help that person. हमारे अंदर वो फीलिंग क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? It's because we are busy with so many things. हम देखते भी नहीं है कि what is happening. right? So that is why he's saying stop. वो red signal दिखा देते stop, right? He wants people to stop talking and stop all movements symbolizing agitation and restlessness till he counts 12. That is a short period of time. Poet बोलते हैं चुप, I will count till 12. एकदम साइलेंट, सन्नाटा होना चाहिए. I am going to count. मतलब उतने शॉर्ट पीरियड के लिए, even if it is for a short period of time. 1, 2, 3. So the poet keeps counting, right? So only for that time at least हम लोग चुप बैठे. Keep that rest to yourself. इतना बोल बोल करने की जरूरत नहीं, इतना सोचने की जरूरत नहीं, इतना इधर उधर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need. Sit in one place. Take a break. Seriously, take a break. Right? These moments of silence would be strange and exotic. These moments of silence would be strange and exotic because in our mundane life we are working towards achieving selfish goals. Right? Mundane का मतलब है very ordinary. Mundane का मतलब है very ordinary life. हमारे ordinary life में हम लोग ये भगदड़ करते हैं. We are running around, trying to achieve deadlines, trying to achieve goals. For what? End of the day, we are all stressed. We are all frustrated. For what? किस चीज के लिए? All the mental tension that is over here, दिमाग में भर गया है. For what? हमें खुद को शांति नहीं मिल रही है. Right? That is why he is saying, try to realize what you are doing. ये सब क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you doing all this? सोचने की कोशिश करो. Regardless of others' requirements and emotions. हम लोग हमारे लाइफ में कभी भी किसी का देखते भी नहीं है. गिर गए, अरे यार I don't have the time. खुद उठ जाओ नहीं यार. हम लोग तो वो बोल देते हैं. We actually say it. So this silence that the poet is telling us that we have to keep is for this. Understand what you're losing on. अगर गिर गया है तो देखो कौन गिरा है. Next time when you fall down, तुम्हारे वहां पे हेल्प करने के लिए कोई नहीं आएगा. Nobody is going to come to help you. Tit for tat. ठीक है? Hence this sudden silence would give us an opportunity to introspect. ये जो हमें मौका दे रहे हैं ना चुप बैठने के लिए. Introspect. सोचो, खुद सोचो. Think about yourself. Okay, what you are doing, is it right? Is it wrong? Why are we doing this? What are we doing this? Right? वो सोचने का एक मौका दे रहे. ठीक है? Okay. Man would get an opportunity. Okay. Since we would not speak for a while, हम लोग चुप बैठेंगे. वो मौन लेना है, मौन व्रत ले लेना है. We will not speak. Barriers between communities would break and a sense of brotherhood would prevail. हम अगर खुद चुप बैठेंगे, दूसरों का सुनने जाएंगे, तब जाके पता चलेगा what is happening around us. तब जाके we will start feeling. तब जाके we will have that feel कि okay, so this is what was happening. All right, guys, I am just stopping the share for a minute. I'm coming back to the screen. All right, इतना तक पता चल गया सबको? Have you all understood till here? Give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Give me a thumbs up if you have understood. All right. Okay, guys, I'm stopping for today. ठीक है, यहाँ पे अभी some renovation work is going on. All right, but the next lecture that we have on next in the coming week, right? We're going to start up with this. ये poem 3 हम लोग start up करेंगे. ठीक है, poem 3 from Flamingo first होगा, right? And then prose 3 from Flamingo होगा, यानी कि third prose होगा. Next week में जब lectures होंगे तो first ये poem complete होगा and then the prose. All right, guys, thank you so much. Right, I will be now leaving the meet. ठीक है? All right, thank you, guys. Bye bye.